guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Angela. Thank you so much for stopping by and showing some love. We're gonna be creating this Valentine's Day inspired look. I definitely wanted to do something romantic, something bold, and something, you know, in between subtle and over the top, if you may say. So I went with this red shadow and a nude lip, of course, to balance everything out. If you guys are celebrating Valentine's Day or are planning to celebrate Valentine's Day and are looking for a makeup look, I hope this look will be inspiring for you to recreate. If you want to see how I created this, you know, romantic Valentine's Day look, just keep on watching. I'm gonna start off by doing my eyebrows. It is really hot in this room. So I've always been using, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade to fill in my brows. It's in the shade Ebony. The eyebrows look good, so now we're gonna go in and prep the eyelids. I'll use the same concealer that I used to clean up the brows. Alright, and now we're gonna go in with the transition colors. I'm gonna be working with these two colors primarily. I'll be using this for the lids and this as a transition color. And then I'll go into the crease with a darker color, either this or this. I don't really do a lot of bright colored shadows, but you know, I figured why not do something different for Valentine's Day. I always do the neutral shades, but today I figured let me just go bold and try out something different. I'm actually not gonna be doing anything major on the actual day. Joey and I don't really care for Valentine's Day, honestly, because I don't know, it's a commercial holiday and I feel like we're way past that in our relationship. These colors are so pigmented, which is amazing. That is one thing I like about Morphe palettes. They're very cheap, but then, you know, what you get for your money, it's so worth it, more than worth it. I'm actually gonna try putting this color as well over that. I said would use for colors, but you know, I got excited, so I want to see how this would look. Okay, it's definitely giving it a little extra pop, that orange. So now in the outer corner, I'm gonna go in with this color. I'm gonna be using a small brush. This is the Morphe M431 brush. So instead of slowly by pulling the colors in like this, and then slowly working my way up. I'm gonna go in with a blending brush and just blend that. I'm gonna go back in here. I feel like this side is not really blended well. I'm gonna prep the eyelids with the concealer. And then I'm gonna go in with this color. And then I'm gonna blend those colors in. And then I'm gonna go back into the outer corner in the crease and just deepen those colors. Okay, everything looks good now. So now I'm gonna go in and apply eyeliner. I'll be using the e.l.f. liner that I always use. So you always want to start from the front to just get your lining, and then before you finish it, you want to come and create your wing like that, and then connect the two. Okay, so while I'm applying eyeliner, I'm going to start putting glue on my eyelashes. I'm going to be using this pack, the Ardell Lashes. I'm going to apply mascara. I'm going to be using Morphe by Lancome. Mascara. The bottom lash, I'm gonna go in with the dark color that we used. Now I'm gonna go back in with the liner because I smudged everything around, and just reapply those areas that I touched. Okay, so back to the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with a deeper dark color, this one. And then after this, I'm gonna go in with the transition color. And I want it to look very subtle. Alright, so we're done with the eyes. Now we are going to do the foundation. I will apply my lower lash mascara at the end. To highlight, I'm going to be using the MAC Prolongwear Concealer in the shade 20 NC45. use the remaining product on the Beauty Blender to highlight my forehead. I'm actually going to use the remaining product in the brush as well to just highlight. And then to set that, I'm going to be using the NYX HD finishing powder in the shade Banana. Okay, so I'm gonna contour now. I will be using the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Espresso. And then blend in and then just work my way around the entire face versus just applying the whole product. The product on my entire face because it dries out fast. I like contouring my forehead because I feel like that's where everything gets together, comes all in together. Jawline. And then I'm going to use the remaining product on the brush to contour the bridge of my nose. Like that. I'm going to set everything with powder. I'm going to be using the Mineralize Skin Finish Powder in dark, the shade Dark, and this is by MAC. To set my contour, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Bronze Powder in the shade Mahogany. And I'm going to use a Morphe 104 brush. Set it like this, just going in this motion. That way everything blends out well and evenly. So like that. I'm going to use a blending brush, an angled blending brush. This is the Morphe M420 brush to contour the bridge of my nose. Like that. My blush, I'll be using Raisin by MAC. I'm going to apply the highlighter. I'll be using the Golden Bronze Iridescent highlighter by MAC. Alright, so that's good. I'm going to use a small brush to just apply around my nose. Same brush to apply around my brow bone, like this. I'm going to apply that highlighter in the tear duct area. I'm gonna go back in with the transition color and just reapply around my lower lash line. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply mascara. So for lipstick, I'm going to be using Touch by MAC. I wanted to wear red lipstick, but I figured, you know what, the look is dramatic on its own, so I would just apply a nude lip It will even everything out. Brush those out. I'm gonna set the look with Chocolate Water by MAC. Alright, here is the final look. I hope you liked this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment on this video, hit the bell for notifications, and hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
All night long, yeah. We dance with our razor tongues and all day long, yeah. We reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale. Reminiscing the bygone time, laugh till we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay.
Let me show you guys my outfit. So if you don't want to dress up too much for Valentine's Day and be too dressy and want something casual but definitely cute and sexy, you can, you know, wear something like this. I'm wearing distressed jeans with this striped shirt that has detailing going here. It has this bow thing that you can tie around. You can tie it either to the left or the right, and it has, you know, a planche neckline that's very sexy, and also has some detailing on the sleeves. And I'm gonna be wearing, I'll show you the shoes I'm gonna be wearing. Lord, I'm gonna be wearing these shoes to go with the look. I'll be creating a blog post for this so you guys can see where I got everything. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.